Have you ever wondered what the fastest thing in the universe is? I mean, yeah, we all know light is fast. But what if I told you, there are things out there that don't just move fast, they shatter the rules of physics. Some of them are real. Some are theoretical. But every single one of them will mess with your mind. Today, we're going to count down the fastest known things in the universe. Not just cars and rockets. We're going deep. Subatomic particles, stars, black holes, and even the entire planet you're standing on right now are moving way faster than you think. And the number one fastest thing? Let's just say, your brain might not be able to handle it. So buckle up, smash that like button like it owes you money, and get ready for a high-speed ride through the most extreme motion in the known universe. Let's start small. I mean really small. A baseball. Specifically, one thrown by Aroldis Chapman in 2010. This guy hurled a fastball at 105.1 miles per hour. To the average batter, that's basically teleportation. Your brain barely registers the pitch before it's in the catcher's glove. That's faster than a skydiver in freefall, faster than most motorcycles, and definitely fast enough to feel like magic to a batter in the box. But compared to what's coming, that's a crawl. Now shift gears to something a little more feathery. The peregrine falcon. This bird isn't just the fastest bird, it's the fastest animal on Earth. When it dives to catch prey, it tucks in its wings and becomes a literal missile. Scientists have measured its dive at an insane 242 miles per hour. That's faster than most fighter jets flying low. This bird could blow past your car on the highway and keep going without breaking a sweat. But speaking of roads, let's talk cars. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. In 2019, it tore across a closed track at 304 miles per hour. That's faster than the bullet trains in Japan. Faster than a small plane. And that kind of speed isn't just about horsepower, it takes aerodynamics, custom-made tires, and some serious nerves. Because at that speed, even a small pebble on the track could spell disaster. But cars are nothing compared to the rocket plane NASA built back in the Cold War. The X-15. Picture this. It looks like a plane but flies like a rocket. And in 1967, it hit 4,520 miles per hour. That's Mach 6.7. So fast that it literally left Earth's atmosphere. This plane was so fast, the pilot had to wear a spacesuit. At that speed, you could fly from LA to Tokyo in under an hour. Let that sink in. Okay, now let's get weird. Because you're already moving faster than all of that. Even though you're sitting there, watching this video, the Earth is spinning on its axis at 1,037 miles per hour at the equator. That means every second, you're moving nearly a third of a kilometer. And guess what? You feel none of it. Our atmosphere moves with us, so it's invisible. But it's happening. Right now. Under your feet. But that's just the start. Because the Earth isn't just spinning, it's orbiting the Sun. At 67,000 miles per hour. That's almost 30 times faster than a bullet. Every single day, Earth makes a 1.6 million mile lap through space. And it does it silently, smoothly, endlessly. The Sun's gravity keeps us locked in orbit, and unless you've got a spaceship, there's no escape. Now we're leaving Earth entirely and heading toward some of the most violent objects in the cosmos, black holes. But not the holes themselves. The matter around them. When gas and dust get sucked in by a black hole's gravity, it forms a swirling disk, called an accretion disk. And the material in that disk moves at 99.9% the speed of light. We're talking about 670 million miles per hour. That's so fast, time starts to warp. Einstein predicted it, and black holes confirmed it. Near the edge, known as the event horizon, time slows down to a crawl compared to outside observers. That's right, go near a black hole, and you're basically stepping into the future. But wait, it gets crazier. Quasars and neutron stars can shoot out cosmic jets, massive beams of energy that explode out of their poles. These jets have been clocked at speeds of 99.999% the speed of light. That's not a typo. We're talking particles moving at fractions of a percent away from the maximum possible speed in the universe. And these jets can stretch across entire galaxies. One of them, shot from the quasar 3C273, extends over 200,000 light-years into space. That's longer than the Milky Way is wide. It's like firing a laser that could stretch beyond our entire galactic neighborhood. But there are things we haven't even proven exist yet that may be even faster. Theoretical particles called tachyons. According to some versions of special relativity, if tachyons exist, they always move faster than light. Not just a little faster, infinitely faster. Here's the wild part. They may be so fast that they move backward in time. Wrap your head around that. Something so fast, it doesn't just beat light, it beats time itself. No one's ever found one, but if we did, it would instantly become the most groundbreaking discovery in physics history. Now we reach the current champion. The speed that rules the universe. Light itself. Light travels at 299,792,458 meters per second, or roughly 670 million miles per hour. That's fast enough to circle Earth 7 times in 1 second. It's not just a fast thing, it's a universal constant. Everything in the universe is measured against the speed of light. In fact, the very concept of time, distance, and space itself is built on how light moves. But there's one final twist. According to quantum physics, some particles don't need to travel to communicate. They're called entangled particles. Two particles that are linked across vast distances. What happens to one instantly affects the other. Not fast. Not faster than light. Instantly. Scientists still don't know how this works. Some call it spooky action at a distance. Others think it might be a glimpse at something beyond space and time. But one thing's clear, if quantum entanglement really works the way we think it does, it could be faster than anything in the known universe. Maybe even beyond speed entirely. So there you have it. The fastest baseball. The fastest animal. The fastest machine. The fastest forces of nature. And then, things so fast they twist time and space into knots. Some are real. Some are theoretical. All of them are absolutely mind-blowing. Which one freaked you out the most? The Falcon diving like a missile, the jet shooting across galaxies, the idea of time travel by speed alone, or maybe just maybe it's the fact that right now, even as you sit still, you're traveling at tens of thousands of miles per hour through a universe that never stops moving. Let me know in the comments. And if this video sparked even one brain-bending moment, go ahead and smash that like button so hard it breaks the sound barrier. Subscribe for more epic science, wild mysteries, and insane countdowns that'll make you say wait what every single time. And trust me, if you thought this was fast, our next episode is all about the slowest things in the universe. From particles that barely move across millennia to the actual rate at which the universe itself might be ending. Yeah. It's gonna get heavy. Until next time, stay curious, stay fast, and I'll catch you speeding through the next one.